Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashanae here. If you are new to my channel, thank you for clicking this video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button before you leave. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Leave me something cute in the comment section and hit that notification bell. Today I will be showing you guys how I get this nice pumpkin spice fall smoky makeup tutorial, and I also have a treat for you guys. This video is a collaboration with the Soul Sisters. I will have everything, or their social medias, their channel, in the description box, so do not forget to click that video as soon as you're done with this one. And also subscribe to their channel. They're going to be showing you a nice bomb fall outfit to pair with this look. So show them some love, tell them I sent y'all, and subscribe to them, follow them on their social medias. They do dope content. So without further ado, we're going to get straight into the tutorial. If you want the details on this wig, I will have that in the description box, and have no other makeup tutorials with this wig in my description box. I mean, I just have everything in the description box for you, so I mean, like, you don't have to do nothing. You just have to scroll up and get it. My Jaclyn Hill palette is dirty because I use it all the time, so I'm going to use it's my Ray Ray number 9 brush. This is my favorite blending brush out of the collection, and I'm going to just go into this shade right here, and I'm going to these two shades right here. Put this burnt orange shade into under the transition shade. This burgundy wine shade right here, and I'm going to just put that on my outer V. Okay, so now I'm going to go into this shade right here. This gives me like pumpkin spice, like fall leaves, red leaves, orange leaves type of vibe. So I decided to put this on my lid because this is a fall look. Full smoky look. So yeah, I'm gonna just put this on my lid. Like I said, guys, if you really want to get the real deal of your eyeshadow, you have to spray that brush, honey. Spray the brush. Spray the brush. Spray the brush. And you see? Oh, spray the brush, then dip your brush back into the shadow and just pack it on. Thank me later. Thank me later. But anyway, so we're gonna go into this black shade right here, just slightly. We're not gonna OD. We're not gonna drag it. We're just gonna put a little bit of smoke on the outside of this eye. So we'll just dip our brush in there a little bit, and then we're just gonna tap that in there. We're going to blend that in with the burgundy shade, but we're not going to fully cover the burgundy shade. We're going to just basically do the ombre effect, like it's going from black to burgundy into this orange shade. That's what we're doing. No big deal, honey. Then we're going to go back in with the the burgundy shade, and we're going to just basically, blend that in, because you want the burgundy to peek through as well. You want everything to be seamless. I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer Matte. And I did a review on this primer and the Wet n Wild collection. So I will link that in the description box. But right now I'm going to just put this all over my face.